My name's Gail Singer and I'm a project officer for the Science Futures project. Something people might not know about me: I have a Labradoodle called Bella and we do agility training, and I also play saxophone in a band. Biology was my favourite subject at school and that inspired me to get into a career in science. One skill that's helped me in my career is being determined and working hard to achieve my goals. What I enjoy most is seeing the students gain their qualifications and helping them on their pathway to their career in science. It's important to me that we provide new talent to allow local industries to thrive. There are many different career opportunities in science and not necessarily working in a lab. You could work in agri-tech, which may involve fieldwork or vertical farming. You could always work in process manufacturing or other things like science communication. So one exciting thing that's happening just now in science is the new Life Sciences Innovation Hub as part of Dundee University, and this is forecasted to provide hundreds of career opportunities for the next generation of talent. I see a growth in science careers in the future. It's important that Science Futures works closely with industry so that our courses meet the specific needs of the businesses in the area.